how to export the test cases from Excel sheet to MTM, or the migration between the Excel and TFS. So Test Case Migration Plus is available on the net, so you can download it. You will get it, this is the wizard. When you run this Test Case Migration Plus, you need to map the fields and the data or the links. So there is no only the migration between the test cases, you can map everything, that is, the requirements as well as the bugs. So here you can select the source, data source type, whether it's an Excel sheet, and specify the file. These are the fields are available in that particular Excel sheet. So first you need to prepare an Excel sheet. Export and import is possible if you load with it's a feature pack 2. So previously it was not possible, but nowadays it is possible to migrate test case that is an Excel sheet and MTM or TFS. So you can import and export all the test cases. So it's done. So thank you. Thank you very much.
Thanks for the insightful presentation, Mr. Wadkar. Let's quickly take up the questions now. Please read out the questions and their answers so that all our users may listen to the commendable insights. Over to you, Mr. Wadkar.
Yes. Okay, so what is end-to-end testing? This is a one question that I have received it from